Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video I will show you how you can set a timer on your iPhone camera. Okay, so if you are visiting my channel for the first time, then please consider subscribing. So this feature is very amazing if you want to take a selfie or if you want to take a group photo. So to set a timer on your iPhone camera, simply you have to open your camera. There are two options: either you can just swipe from here to the top, or you can also click on this option at the top, and here there are some settings which will appear on the bottom, and from here you have to simply select this timer option. Okay, so here you can see by default you can set either 3 seconds, 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Okay, so let's say if I set 3 seconds, and if I click on this camera icon, then here you can see the timer is set for 3 seconds and my picture will be captured after 3 seconds. Now if you want to change the timer, then you just have to simply swipe up, and here just go to this option again, and you can just set the timer from here. So once it's done, make sure to turn it off so that you can simply take a picture quickly in future.